celebrating Black History.
Yes, we can. All month long.
Here's your Black History Fact of the Day with the Sugar Bear in the Morning Show.
The king of pop, Michael Jackson, snagged several Guinness World Records, including highest annual earnings for a pop star, best-selling album of all time for his classic Thriller, and most Grammy Awards won in a year. He took home 8. Incidentally, Beyoncé holds that record for the ladies. She took home 6 in 2010.
To check out all of our Black History Facts of the Day, like us on Facebook at facebook.com/hot1035.
We will respond with yes, we can.